How's it going, everybody? This is Jack's House Hacks. Today I'm here to show you how to replace your AC filter. Alright, first step in understanding how to change your AC filter is to actually locate where your filter is. So on most units, it's going to be between your return duct and your blower fan that's blowing the AC through the house. So on mine, I've got this little compartment right here between the two. Conveniently, it's got a sign showing the airflow. So once you've located your filter, make sure the AC is not running. You could also flip the breaker. That's probably the safer option. What you're gonna do is locate your filter. Pull it out. You can see this one is definitely due for a change. Let's get a comparison in here. Yeah, I'd say it's time. So once you've removed your old filter, you need to figure out what size you want to replace it with. So they're always going to have a size up here. This is basically height, length, depth. So you can see I'm running a 1-inch filter, though my unit can accept up to a 4-inch. So the difference between filter depth is essentially how often you need to replace it. With the 1-inch, you need to replace it every 30 to 60 days, and a 4-inch is all the way up to 6 months without having to change it. So at that point, it's up to you to calculate the costs. Am I going to save more money switching a 4-inch every 6 months or a 1-inch every 2 months? And I was able to get a good pack at Costco, so that's the one I'm using. So really the only other difficult part about this is ensuring that you have the airflow line on the filter itself in the correct direction. So you can see I've got an airflow arrow pointing from left to right. So I just want to make sure that when I'm installing this, that airflow is going in the direction of the airflow of my unit. So left to right, that's correct. Get a slider in there and then put the top back on, and easy as that. You've got a new filter for anywhere from a month to 6 months. Enjoy, like, and subscribe. I got a lot more house hacks coming.